Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into some outdoor fun with the JOYIN Big Bubble Wand set. If you're looking to create the biggest and best bubbles this summer, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, let's see what's inside. This set comes with 18 pieces of bubble wands in various colors and sizes, perfect for different bubble making adventures. You also get 2 bubble solution trays and 6 bags of concentrated bubble solution. It's everything you need for a bubble-tastic time. Now, let's talk about the design and quality. These bubble wands are made from durable materials and are designed to make huge bubbles effortlessly. From the large 12-inch wands to the smaller ones, each feels sturdy and well made. Plus, they're safe for kids, meeting US toy standards. Time to put these wands to the test. With the included bubble solution, simply mix it up in the trays, dip your wand, and watch the magic happen. These wands create some of the biggest bubbles I've seen, perfect for any outdoor gathering or kids' party. Safety is always a top concern, especially with kids' toys. Rest assured, these wands and solutions are non-toxic and pass all safety tests. They're gentle on the skin and easy to use, making them a parent's dream for outdoor playtime. So, what's the final word on the JOYIN Big Bubble Wand set? If you're looking to make this summer unforgettable, this set is a must-have. It's affordable, easy to use, and brings smiles to everyone who tries it. Whether you're a kid or just a kid at heart, these wands are guaranteed fun under the sun. That wraps up our review today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.